like she's going off about something next you said, 'cause she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night, and listening to the kind of music she doesn't.
Higpitan ninyo at baka kayo ang mabigtas.
Push us to our limits, find out why we're super.
Walang connection na mapapali.
We're taking the high-speed route to the crown. Hindi lang kami handa, fresh pa kami.
Matagal-tagal din ang aming hinintay para makaani.
Hirap na pinagdaanan, yan ang nagtatamis sa pagpasok sa seli.
Hindi na sapat ang chilling. It's time to show that winner is part of our DNA.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Mall of Asia Arena. This is the semifinal round of the PBL Filipino Conference 2026. This is match number 55 between the PLDT High Speed Hitters and the Three-Line Pool Smashers. For this match, our first referee, Joy De Imos, International Referee. The second referee is Jofer Educado, National Referee. Now let's meet the starters. First for the PLDT High Speed Hitters. Middle blocker from De La Salle University, number 3, Mika Reyes. Outside from La Salle, number 5, Aliyah Malaluan. Outside spiker from the University of Oklahoma, number 6, Sammy Davison. Center from La Salle, number 9, Kim Fajardo. Middle blocker also from La Salle, number 10, Matjoy Baron. Opposite hitter from La Salle, number 11, Kim Kiana T. Starting libero from the University of the East, number 8, team captain, Kat Arado. Head coach for PLDT is Rald Ricafort. And now the starters for the Three-Line Pool Smashers. Outside spiker from the Ateneo de Manila University, number 2, team captain, Alonso Valdez. Center from the Far Eastern University, number 1, Kyle Negrito. Middle blocker from the College of St. Camille, number Starting the barrel also from FEU number 11, Kyla Atienza. And the head coach for Creamline is Sherwin Menezes. This game is held under the supervision and regulation of the Games and Amusements Board. This is the semifinal matchup between PLDT and Creamline. This is the PBL